Whenever you are having such kind of problem where we have to integrate the value of x to the power 1 by 2, and in denominator it is written that 1 plus x to the power 3 by 4. So what we will do here, we will take the value of x that is equal to u to the power 4. Once you will take this one, then it's better to use dx, and you will get the answer as 4u cube du. We will write x to the power 1 by 2, that is u square, and 1 plus x to the power 3 by 4, which we can write it as u cube. And if I want to write dx, it will be written as 4u cube, and here you will write du. Now what we can do with this, we can take 4 outside, u cube and u square. If you will multiply, you will get u to the power 5, and here you will get u cube. D, we can take the value of 1 plus u cube, that is equal to, we can take it as equal to t. Once you will take it as equal to t, you can differentiate this one. We will get 3u square, and you will get du, which is equal to dt. Now we will change everything from here, that is u to the power 5 is given, and we can take 4 over 3, u cube will be written u cube, u square du will be written as dt, and 1 plus u will be written as t. But still this u is here, we have to change this u. So what we will do, 4 by 3 we will write as it is, u cube will be written as t minus 1, and here you will write t, and you will get t. So you will get the answer as 4 over 3 and t minus 1 by t. If I will separate, you can write 1, and here you will write 1 by t, and you will do the dt here. So now we will do the integration of 1. So you will get the answer as 4 over 3, and this one will become t. And what is the integration of 1 by t? You will get log of mod of t and plus of c. So you will get the answer as 4 over 3 t. T will be written as 1 plus u cube. And if I want to write log of t, I will write it as 1 plus u cube. And here you will write plus of c. But we want to change this value of u cube. So we will write it as 4 over 3. This is the final answer that you will get. 4 over 3, 1 plus, instead of u, I want to replace it with x. So here you will write 3 over 4. And if I want to write log, and here if I want to replace u, you will write it as x to the power 3 by 4. And this one will come under the mod, and we will use mod of c. So this is the final answer that you will get, where we are replacing everything from t to u and then u to x, and we are getting this answer. So this is the basic and important concept that we had applied to solve this problem. Hope you have understood each and everything. We will discuss these kind of problem in many of the videos. So please subscribe my channel, and we will try to take this kind of question for you.